Hey everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel. So, today I want to talk about something that literally changes the entire vibe of a place. So, do you see this vibe? I went to this casual dining restaurant a few days ago and honestly, I loved it. The lighting, perfect. The interiors, Pinterest worthy. The crowd, it was so chill. But there was just one problem, that is the music. It was so random. It didn't match the vibe, it didn't match the time, it didn't match whether it was weekday or weekend. It was just playing. Now, you know what? Even I own a restaurant and I faced the same issue. I wanted music that adjusts automatically according to time, mood, crowd, and vibe. So that's when I found something really smart. This is Stringbox In-Store AI Music, and currently I'm sharing my screen to you guys just so that you guys know how great this is. This literally is just another playlist system for your cafe or restaurant, and this AI powered music understands your venue. Yes, AI. See, as I'm adjusting the temperature here, what it does is it lets you automatically adjust the temperature. Let me just show you. I have selected the venue type as a casual dining restaurant automatically. Now, the humidity, which is approximately 25% here, I'm adjusting it according to that. The weather, I think it's like chilly, so I'll just click whatever. You can see how many weather types are mentioned here, so you have a plenty of options. The time of day, that is night in the cafe. I just want to replicate the vibe and show you guys how cool it can be when it plays according to the vibe of the cafe. I am going to select Sunday as day of the week, and now as it says, click now and see the magic, because you don't know what is going to happen right now. So that is how it functions. It takes all the input conditions, which is your weather, temperature, humidity, and whatever. Now, this is the final output. Oh my god, can you just listen to the music right now? It has just played the right music according to the vibe. See, it has detected the time, weather, venue, temperature, humidity, all of that. It also shows you the BPM, energy, danceability on this song, the loudness, and what not. It also shows you what is the customer impact, like this song increases your engagement by 15%. Yes, how cool is that? The neuroscience effect, as it increases your dopamine. It has also shown how it is trusted by industry leaders, which is mentioned here. Now, what is Stringbox In-Store AI Music? Let me come on that. If you get this for your venue, which is whatever you have, you can see there are many venue types listed here, and you can have it for literally any venue. So I'm guessing if you're a cafe, restaurant, or a bar owner, you know exactly how important ambience is. People don't just come for food, they come for experience, and music equals 50% of the experience. So if your place looks aesthetic but sounds confused, you know that you need Stringbox In-Store AI Music.